Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to hide the like count on Instagram using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Instagram and a video or photo that you may have posted to the account. So we can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com using the shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now, what we will do is click on the photo itself to see if there are any likes on that image. Unfortunately, there are not. So what we will do is like this ourselves. And now we can see that there's one like on the image. Right click, reload the page. We can now see that there's one like just by hovering over the image itself. Click on the image itself again. Go to the top right corner where we have more options by the three dots. Now scroll to the third one in the list where it says hide like count to others. This now means that nobody is able to look at the like count or see how many likes are on the image. Click on X, right click, reload the page, hover over the image. I know myself can see the like count, which also means that whoever views this image is not able to look at the like count. So if I were to, let's just say, right click on the link, copy that hyperlink. Let's now open up a private window, accept all, paste, go to my Instagram account. Let's now hover over that image and we can now see that the like count is no longer visible. If I go back to the web browser where we've signed in, let's now unhide the like count to others. Right click, reload the page. The like count is now visible. Do the same thing on the private tab. And there we go. That like count is now visible to the globe. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.